Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provided in the VIP group and also in the free group, along with the logic we used. First of all, those who want to join us can find the link in the description. You can check it out. So let's start the video. The first trade we provided in the free group was on EURCHF for the call side, and the expiry time was mentioned according to UTC plus 4 time. Let me explain the logic. Here you can see a pattern. There was a red candle that left a huge wick on the upside. That's why we provided a trade for the upside move. You can also see that a moving average was there. So whether you entered from the moving average or from the open price, both entries were wins. This was the logic behind our first trade. Now let's move on to the second trade that we provided in the VIP group. This trade was on CADJPY for the call side. The logic behind this trade was that there was a support level. You can also see a candle that left a wick for the upside move and fulfilled the condition. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was also an amazing win. Let's move on to the next trade that we provided on EURGBP for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was that there was a resistance level, and a downtrend was also present. You can also see a moving average there. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move on EURGBP, and this was also a good win. So these were the winning trades. All of them were non-martingale trades. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, or you can also text us on Telegram at binary support. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned more about our trades. If you want any specific topic or video, you can text us on Telegram or comment down below. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.